Welcome to LicoS Kids. Learn, sing, and fun.
Look, Mommy, it is the letter A for apple. It is my very favorite letter of the whole alphabet, and I am so happy to learn it today. B is for ball, and balls are so much fun to bounce and play with all day long in the park. C is for cat. Look at me spin and jump for you. I am having so much fun playing in this bright and colorful playground today. D is for dogs, and we are so happy to be playing together today in our favorite colorful playground under the bright and sunny sky. Hi friends, I'm Dog. Today we will learn what comes after D. D. D means D is for D-O-G. That's right. E is for elephant, and elephants are so much fun to be around, especially when we are playing together in the park on a beautiful sunny day. Look at that! It is the letter F! Yay! F is for our favorite frog fun and all the games we play together in our colorful playground. Hi friends, I'm Frog. Today we will learn what comes after F. F, 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 F. Look at that! G is for grape!
That is right, little one. You are doing such a great job with your alphabet dancing today.
Is for horse. It is such a happy day to dance and play with all of you in this bright and beautiful playground today. Hi friends, I'm Horse. Today we will learn what comes after H. H. H means H is...
Look at that! It is the letter L for lion!
That is right. L is for the biggest, fluffiest, and most playful lions in the entire jungle. M is for monkey. It is such a beautiful day to jump and play here in the jungle with my family and...
N is for narwhals, and look at us spin and play in the blue water today.
It is so much fun to dance and laugh with all our friends here. Look at that little friend go! O is for owl. Can you say O for owl with me? It is Look at that! It is a big letter P for a wonderful and fuzzy panda. That is so much fun. Let us keep on playing. Q is for quack, a sound we love to make in the water while we play, spin, and dance together on this bright and sunny day. Quack! 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 R is for rainbow, shining bright in the sky. Can you see all the beautiful colors arching high? Look, it is the letter S for sharks. Swimming together is so much fun, and we love to play. T is for toy train, and look at all our animal friends coming along for a fun ride today. Let us learn all about the letter T. U is for unicorn, and we are having so much fun dancing in this magical world today, so come along and join us for a colorful adventure. Hello everyone! V is for van, and I am so excited to go on a fun adventure adventure today with all of you wonderful friends. So Hello there, friends! I am so happy to meet you today. Did you know that the letter W stands for a wonderful whale like me? Wow! We're dancing! Watch this! Yay! Look at that big shiny X. It is perfect for our special letter today. Come on, everyone. Let us dance and jump around and celebrate Y is for yak. Look at us spin and dance around this big shiny letter. It is so much fun to play here in our beautiful meadow today. Welcome to our magical world where everyone loves to play. Z is for zoo, where all the animals are